And we go to the last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette. The lead is down to 10. 10 points by Pierre Foods. Near steal. Velasco, oh yes, completion. Mike Muster off the ball with Victoria. A minute and 43 to go. 3-point shot by the West Brothers is no good. And last touch on Brown.
Bola pa ito ng San Miguel.
10 na lang ito mga kaibigan. 1:39 to go at mukhang umaandar na naman ang makina ng San Miguel.
Ito si Lamont Struthers again taking it from the outside. Wala talaga.
Yun, mahirap. Yung mga outside shots ayaw na talaga pumasok eh.
Alam mo, ano kaya? Dapat kayang ibalik ni Coach Joseph Wichico sina Danny Siegel at Danny Ildefonso.
Oops! Patrimonio trips. Andy Siegel na wala bola. Dwight Lago out to Lamont Struthers. Ay, he's gone. He is gone. Walo na lang! Ang laban ng Pierre Foods. 1 minute and 17 seconds to go in this game. And we have a timeout by Coach Derek Pumaran of Pierre Foods. Wala pong gumagalaw dito sa punong-punong Araneta Coliseum. Magandang gabi po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Ginito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television at sa labanan ng San Miguel Beer at Pierre Foods. Lamang ang Pierre Foods ng 8 with 1 minute and 17 to go. They have possession in the backcourt. Pressure defense here by San Miguel Beer. Derek Brown has it. Hinahabol ni Mike Mustre. Here's dito po. Naku, libre si Noy Castillo. Hindi nakita. Tumara ni Sam din. Oh! Mike Mustre! Tuloy-tuloy! Ilay up! And the lead is down to 6! The lead is down to 6!
Yan pala ang dahilan, partner, kung bakit pinasok ni Joseph Wichico si Mike Mustre to play that pressure defense. At ito, ano ito? Foul?
Tatawag yata ng timeout. Ano ba ito?
Timeout yata tinawag ni Dindo Pumaren. The lead is down to 6.
17 ito, kanina lang, kinito.
At partner, hindi pa binabalik si Joseph Wichico yung dalawang Danny niya, no?
Yes.
But he's very comfortable with his scrappy team that's playing high-octane, hindi offense, but defense.
Mike Mustre did not see action in the first, 40 minutes or maybe more of the game. Dito lang siya hinugod on the last 2-3 minutes of the game. But he has done a really tremendous job on defense at dito sa fast break play. Alam naman natin yan, Binuwo, coming off cold from the bench. Mike Mustre, si Dwight Lago, pinasok din yan ni Coach John Wichico. And that has allowed Danny Siegel and Danny Ildefonso time on the bench dito sa fourth and final quarter in the crucial moments of the game.
Malaking adjustment na ginawa ni Joseph Wichico, partner. He's using a small lineup now because he feels they need to pressure Pure Foods into quick turnovers. And sure enough, Pure Foods, 5 turnovers in the last 2 minutes.
Mga empleyado pala natin ito ng Viva Entertainment galing ng Visayas and Mindanao. Oy, mga dudong, naiaman ni Emo sa PBA. May na lang ang inyong mga kapariente katanaw karon sa Visayas at Mindanao. Okay, ito, 52 seconds to go. 6-point lead by Pure Foods. Derek Brown.
Wala pa sa penalty.
Wala pa.
San Miguel. That will be team foul number 5. Kanina pa nasa penalty itong Pure Foods, partner, no? Actually, you remember kanina, ito si Boy Viz Victoria bringing up the ball. Medyo na-foul siya ng Derek Brown. Walang tawag. That could have been crucial because nasa penalty na ang Pure Foods at that time.
There's Noy Castillo off to Derek Brown and Dwight Lago giving up that foul. And he will send Derek Brown to the free throw line. Well, Derek Brown, not exactly his strong suit, yung free throw shooting.
Not in this game, yes. He has missed several, at least 4 missed free throws.
6-point lead, mga kaibigan ng San Miguel, 46 seconds to go. But remember that just a few minutes ago, Pure Foods was leading 90-73, 17 puntos.
Alam ko, hindi pumasok. Alam mo, partner, itong lineup ni Coach Joseph Wichico, experimental ito, ha?
Hindi, kasi parang desperation na ito. Sabi niya, hindi gumagana yung kanyang first 5. He gave it a new look and a click.
Palagay ko, partner, kung magkakaroon tayo ng Game 5, he might be using this small lineup to apply a lot of pressure on Pure Foods. Ito yung pangalawang tira, yes. 1 out of 2.
Walang aling yung pangalawa ni Derek Brown. 7-point lead by Pure Foods with 46 seconds left. May timeout ang San Miguel Beer. Alam mo, duda ko, for the past 2 hours, wala nakakaisip ng mga impeachment. Sapagkat napakatindi po ng aksyon dito sa labanang ito ng San Miguel Beer at Pure Foods. 3-point shot by Lamont Struthers!
And that is partner. He's 1 out of 12 from 3-point range. Ngayon pa pumasok at tira ni Lamont Struthers. Apat ang alamang.
Down to a 4-point lead by Purefoods with 40 seconds remaining. What a time for Lamont Struthers. Alam mo, parang nararamdaman niya na talagang may papasok dito. Kanina pa tira ng tira sa labas.
He has missed his first 11 3-point attempts. Ngayon lang pumasok. 1 out of 12 from 3-point range. Ito si Lamont Struthers. Partner, 14-3 blast by San Miguel in the last 3 minutes.
And Struthers with 32 points. Derek Brown has 37 in the game. Goal. That one goes in. Oh. And the lead is 5 with 40 seconds left.
Ang hinahanap ni Derek Brown, partner, cushion.
Oo, kailangan. Kailangan nila yan. They need it badly. They wanna prevent a shutout. Oh, 2 straight by Derek Brown.
Walang timeout ang San Miguel. They're gonna go for it. Ito,
36 seconds to go.
They're setting up for another 3-point shot.
Struthers takes it. Wala. Offline. And dito pa rin. Fouled by Boybits Victoria.
And that's it.
Oh, 29
Less than 30
seconds left.
seconds to go. 6-point lead ang Pure Foods and they'll go to the line.
At mukhang makakaroon po tayo ng laro sa Miyerkules. Hindi pa po makakapag-Christmas vacation ang bayan ng Superstars.
Alam mo, partner, you asked the question, no? Nung humabol itong San Miguel to bring it down to 4, ano kaya? Should Danny Siegel have come in? Because he would have been, of course, another option from 3-point range. At 5 yata ang 3-point shots ni Danny Siegel sa larong ito.
Yes, he has 28 points. He's had 5 3-point shots.
But of course, Coach Joseph Wichico, palagay ko, gusto ninyang mangyari dito was this scrappy team on the floor whittle down that lead. And I think he wanted to go with that same combination until the end, no matter what.
But Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs looks like they're gonna hang on this time, no? With this lead. Lamont Struthers going for the slam jam. But it's still a 6-point lead here by Purefoods with 20 seconds remaining. And again, they give up the foul.
Grabing intensity yung pinapakita ngayon ni Lamont Struthers, no? Here, particularly in the second half.
Talagang gigil na gigil.
Oo.
Itong si Lamont Struthers. Pero
alam mo, kung hindi lang nagpabaya itong San Miguel, no, opening the second half, it would have been much closer than it is now. But
doon sila, parang they were stunned, no?
Yes.
In the first few minutes of the
coming out of this
13-0 run by
coming out of the
Purefoods.
dugout nung halftime, partner.
Oh.
Ang baba ng intensity level
Imagine,
ng San Miguel.
they were down by only 2 at 52-50.
Yes.
Pagkatapos biglang naging 16 at 66-50.
Complacency, partner. I thought that was complacency. So siguro na feeling ng San Miguel, anytime they can just turn it on at mananalo sila, no?
Kaya lang, masyado na malaki yung labang eh.
Well, pinakita na naman ng Pure Foods that they can play with pride, partner, no?
Oo, totoo
That was the
yan.
whole story here. Pure Foods played with pride and has survived for another game dito sa ating best of 7 finals. All over but the shouting.
Sinabi nga natin, wala pang nangyayaring nakabawi, no, from a 0-3 deficit. But there's always a first time.
Alam mo, partner,
At
mahirap.
you-
Yes.
oh.
At mahirap yung talunin itong Pure Foods 4 in a row.
Oo, totoo
Here in this
yan.
particular conference, natalo sila 3 in a row but never 4 in a row.
At saka yung pagkatalo ng Purefoods in the first 3 games here in the finals, puro dikit yun eh. Lalo na yung game 3.
Yes.
We went into double overtime there. Nung game 2, montik na rin sila makasilat doon. Kanya lamang, ina-overtaken talaga sila nung power ng San Miguel. No? And in game 1, ganun din.
Alam mo, partner, in this particular game, alam mo, classic din ito eh.
Oh,
Ang
yeah.
nangyari dito, no? Of course, nothing beats the excitement of game number 3. But I expect a more thrilling game
siguro.
number 5.
Wala pa naman sleeper dito sa 4 na laro
Yes.
ito eh. We don't expect
Oo.
game number 5 to be, a walkover.
Kung sell out itong game number 4, partner, ano pa kaya sa game number 5?
Ay, sigurado yan.
We're gonna hit the roof.
Only 0.8 of a second remaining. Just going through the motions here, but we do have to finish our business. So Ray Evangelista at the line. 105-95 ang ating score. 10 na ang abante nitong Pure Foods. But sabi mo nga, no, they played with pride. Ayaw nilang ma-shut out, ayaw nilang ma-sweep. At talagang they fought like the wounded tigers that they were in this game.
Saka, partner, they attacked San Miguel where it is weakest, no? They went to the mismatch advantage And EJ File produced big numbers.
Yeah.
Andy Siegel produced bigger numbers. Patrimonio naka-score ng double figures. Dindo Pumaren for the first time naka-score ng double figures sa seryeng ito. So a lot of local support for Derek Flight Brown.